Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this Kipiea firewood rack cover. This not only comes with the cover, but it also comes with this carry bag for storage. This cover is high quality, it's durable, it's UV resistant as well as tear resistant. Take a look at each of these threads. It's not only double threaded, but it's got waterproof tape along all the seams, and that ensures that no water will get underneath this cover. So here is the firewood rack, 4 feet wide, that I'm about to place this cover over. So here is the cover on the rack. There's a Kipiea logo. And looking over here, we have these straps that secure the cover to each of the 4 legs of your rack. There's also a strap on either side securing this Velcro. As you can see, Velcro runs along both sides of the front. This allows you to easily access your firewood. When you're done, you just Velcro it up and then secure that strap. And now we got this water. Look at how that water just slides right off the cover. Completely wet on the outside like it just rained. We take a look underneath. Completely dry. Completely waterproof. Those droplets do not go into the fabric at all. Now we've got the leaf blower. It's time for a wind test. As you can see, even in the high winds, this cover does not even come close to falling off. Overall, I highly recommend this firewood rack cover from Kipiea. If within 3 years something does happen to it, you can always contact them and they will resolve it for you. Thanks for watching.